DITIN-V300, a 12-inch driver to provide deep bass and extended frequency response. You can get low frequencies to 20 Hz with this powerful driver. We're going to design a folded horn for this one. However, one can use it for a bass reflex enclosure or a sealed box. You can purchase this woofer from Parts Express or any website you like. Scroll down and download these files. Now, everything is ready to simulate the woofer in software programs. If you remember, we've created an Excel file to simplify Akabak simulation. The download link is in the description below. First, enter the specs in the Excel file like this. All required software links are available in the description. Adjust the pink line position. Note that enter the same value as the desired enclosure depth in this cell. Now enter the required values in horn RISP. Just note what I do. Click on Add, then double-click on SD cell. If your driver specs don't include Xmax, leave it as it stands. Follow this direction and choose Hypex with driver. The first frequency is the resonance frequency, which is 23 Hz, and the second is the resonance frequency times 4. Enter 0 for these two cells. Enter the throat area for S1 and the mouth area for S2. The horn length and horn RISP must be entered in centimeters. This is the side view of our design. As you know, we fold this straight shape to create a folded horn, something like this. The frequency responses. We need to simulate this horn in Akabak to see what its 3D shape is. You can see all the dimensions in this section of the Excel file. The body's height is about 2.5 meters and its depth is 112 centimeters. The width is 54 centimeters. And totally, we've created a giant speaker. I should say, the bigger the volume, the slower the calculation speed. This item corresponds to the thickness of the material we use. You can change it according to your desired thickness. Before creating the 3D shape of our design, we must enter the driver dimensions and its specifications in Akabak. Before starting, you need an Akabak template. The process to get such an Akabak template has been explained in these videos. Enter the voice coil diameter in this cell. If the hole height is 13.5, the cone height will be about 4.5. Enter it in this cell. The cone diameter for a driver with an area 498.8 square centimeters is equal to 25.4 centimeters by this formula. Consider the dust cap height as about 1 and its width as 6, which is more than voice coil diameter in all designs. And the height after the dust cap is less than the whole height of the cone. Enter it equal to 4. Do it again for the front cone. The cone is created. After that, enter the speaker specs in LEM tab. Just copy every part and paste it into its related section in Akabak. Set the smooth factor as 10 and start the copy-paste process like the previous videos. This copy-paste process has been explained several times. You can import these points into any software you want, even software designed for CNC machines, to get the folded horn in the shortest possible time. Of course, you can assemble the horn part by part with MDF panels. If you want to change the points, you can do so after importing them into your desired software. After completing the shape, enter 0.2 for horn damping. We don't enter any values for enclosure damping because it doesn't significantly affect damping the fluctuations in the software, but it may affect them in reality. Drag this files into VaxViewer. All the required software programs links are available in the description. This is the Akabak response. And this is the HornRisp response. At the beginning of the video, we downloaded some files. Decompress them to see what they are. Save the response obtained by Akabak in that directory. Then drag these files into REW software, the file that we have just saved. The green is the manufacturer's response with the driver mounted on an infinite baffle, and the orange is the Akabak result. It shows us that the calculated horn can reproduce an infinite baffle response. The deep null in HornRisp and Akabak occurs at the same frequency.